how can everyone have 24 hours, yet experience vastly different results, successes, and progress? There's a powerful belief that anything is possible. Whether mastering a new language, launching a successful venture, guiding demanding students, providing a life of opportunities for family, or savoring the rewards of hard work, these achievements are within reach. It won't necessarily be easy, and it certainly requires awareness and significant effort. While we all have time for many things, we cannot dedicate the same amount of time to everything. A crucial element for maximizing every moment is knowing how to plan a productive day effectively. The challenge is that effective planning isn't widely taught. This discussion will unveil a precise methodology for organizing a highly productive day designed to yield incredible results, foster enjoyment, and drive project advancement. Let's begin with the first step: non-negotiable habits. Each day, without exception, should incorporate 4 non-negotiable habits dedicated to cultivating the 4 main pillars of life. These pillars are the mind, the body, the soul, and the personal value you possess. What does this mean in practice? Your daily routine should include habits that develop these fundamental areas. For example, physical activity like hitting the gym or practicing martial arts cultivates the body. Reading a book, listening to an audiobook, or engaging with a podcast daily nurtures the mind. Dedicating an hour each day to developing a new skill enhances personal value within society. And practicing meditation or other reflective exercises cultivates the spiritual aspect of daily life. For those who believe there isn't enough time for these activities, understand that they are essential requirements for maintaining well-being, progress, and success. Now, let's explore a concept that might seem surprising: consistent, small actions. In 1983, Lauren Whitehead published research in the American Journal of Physics demonstrating the domino effect. This effect shows that a single domino can progressively knock over other dominoes, even those significantly larger than itself. A small domino, about the size of a matchstick, can eventually topple one the size of the Eiffel Tower, given enough progression. Why is this important? Because it perfectly illustrates the world of productivity, personal development, and entrepreneurial success. Billionaire Jesse Itzler lives by a specific philosophy. Each year, he focuses on combining certain skills or tackling different challenges. He emphasizes that an individual who dedicates just 20 minutes daily to mastering a skill or addressing a challenge will significantly outperform 99% of people who engage in sporadic, intense, but inconsistent efforts. Small, consistent daily actions allow for the building of compounded progress that multiplies exponentially over time, just like that tiny domino initiating a chain reaction leading to monumental shifts. Through small daily actions, immense achievements become possible. Next, let's talk about routines. After a period of relaxation, like a summer vacation, many find themselves craving the structure of a routine. This is because humans are routine-seeking beings, biologically coded to conserve energy. Our brains use routines as a mechanism to process information efficiently and respond to our environment. In modern society, willpower can diminish with each decision made, leading to reduced discipline for truly important projects. This is why structuring your day with activation and deactivation routines is so beneficial. An activation routine comprises a series of habits that help transition from a state of rest to one of productivity, preparing the body and mind for focused work. Conversely, a deactivation routine facilitates a smooth transition from a productive day to sleep and rest. These routines can integrate the non-negotiable habits previously discussed. For instance, a morning routine might include physical activity to activate the body, coupled with listening to a podcast to cultivate the mind. Adding a dedicated time for reading further supports intellectual development. For the evening, prioritizing social connections can cultivate the spiritual part of life through relaxed interactions, leading to a sense of satisfaction. Incorporating meditation or reflective writing can aid relaxation and transition into sleep. Throughout the day, dedicating an hour to cultivating a specific skill can also be part of this structured approach. Additionally, these routines can encompass other valuable habits like meal preparation or reviewing daily objectives. Including family time is also a crucial aspect to integrate. Now, let's delve into 3 fundamental laws of productivity that can help master 90% of the game. These are the Pareto principle, the law of effort, and Parkinson's law.
First, understand their definitions, then how to apply them. The Pareto principle, often known as the 80-20 rule, states that roughly 80% of results come from 20% of conscious actions. This means identifying and prioritizing that crucial 20% of high-impact tasks. The law of effort emphasizes prioritizing the most difficult tasks at the beginning of the day. Starting with easier tasks might provide a temporary sense of accomplishment, but it often distracts from genuine progress. Tackling the most challenging work first ensures significant advancement. Parkinson's law explains that a task will expand to fill the time allotted for its completion. If a deadline is set for 2 days, the task will likely take 2 days. If it's 6 months, it will likely stretch to 6 months. Understanding these rules is vital for effective application. To leverage Parkinson's law, set strict personal deadlines. These don't need to be externally imposed. They can be self-imposed time blocks, like finishing a task within a 2-hour study session or a 25-minute Pomodoro.
Technique sprint. This creates a sense of urgency. To respect the law of effort, resist the urge to multitask or to tackle small, easy tasks first thing in the morning. While these might feel productive, they often don't contribute to significant progress. Instead, begin with the most difficult and impactful tasks. How are these difficult tasks identified? By applying the Pareto principle. Determine the 20% of actions most crucial for your business, project, or studies, and dedicate focused time to them, especially in the early hours of the day, while adhering to your self-imposed deadlines. You will witness truly spectacular progress. Finally, let's discuss strategic time management. The way you schedule extra activities directly impacts your overall efficiency. Unconscious scheduling can lead to significant wasted time. For example, imagine a scenario where morning gym visits, followed by classes, create large, unproductive gaps or lead to exhaustion by evening, making it difficult to focus on work or study. Similarly, meeting friends immediately after classes might consume early evening hours, leaving little focused time for other commitments. The solution lies in consciously
reevaluating when and how these activities are integrated into your schedule. Consider adjusting your wake-up time to create a focused work block when energy levels are highest. Afterward, perhaps integrate gym time or social gatherings during natural breaks, such as between classes or during lunch. This approach ensures that you utilize your peak productive hours effectively and avoid wasting the end of the day when fatigue sets in. By making these shifts, you can reclaim valuable hours that would otherwise be lost. Furthermore, strategically using dead time is essential. Commutes, waiting in line, or even during childcare can become opportunities for reading, listening to educational podcasts, or planning. With good organization, it is entirely possible to make time for everything. This discussion aimed to provide a comprehensive plan for organizing a highly productive day. Thank you for your focused attention. If this video was helpful, please show your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this to benefit from increased productivity and greater results. Thank you for being here. Until the next video.